Here it is, wireless Android Auto in the 2014 to 2019 Toyota Highlander. We just installed the Hamilton upgrade kit for CarPlay and Android Auto, which is going to add wireless and wired CarPlay and Android Auto right into your factory screen. And boy, what a difference we've made. You'll see that shifting to reverse will bring up that original backup camera, and back to park or drive brings you right back into Android Auto. You're not going to lose any functionality with this kit. Your original steering wheel controls and all other features will continue to work. Long holding the voice speech button on the steering wheel for 3 seconds will allow you to come back to the factory system where you won't lose any features. In wireless Android Auto, you've got a whole lot of brand new features that make this system way more powerful. You'll see we have navigation here from Google Maps. You can also use Waze or any other navigation app of your choosing. Any music app that has an Android Auto component will automatically show up. So Spotify, Amazon Music, YouTube Music, or any other app, you'll have easy access to all of your songs and beautiful cover art. A quick press of the voice speech button will trigger the voice assistant. Hey Google, what's the weather like in Raleigh, North Carolina?
Right now in Raleigh, it's 85 degrees and mostly cloudy. Today, it'll be mostly cloudy, with a forecasted high of 86 and a low of 73. By the way, if you want to listen to the news while you drive, just say, "Hey Google, play the news."
We have precision tuned this system to use your original factory microphone. So talking to the Google Voice Assistant is a breeze. And of course, phone calls are going to sound great, as well as sending text messages is a breeze. You can see here any app with an Android Auto component will automatically show up here on your home screen. Of course, this system is going to have Apple CarPlay as well, and we have a whole nother video describing it. This button down here toggles between the split screen view and your apps view. In the split screen view, you can press on an app and it will appear full screen if that app is available in a full screen mode from Google. We're going to show you now how to pair and set up this device. We'll have a full installation video on the YouTube channel. To set up Android Auto, go ahead and pull out your phone, open up Settings, Connections, Bluetooth, and turn it on. Scroll down and look for a new device that starts with Hamilton. Click on it. A pairing code will pop up. Click Pair. If it's the first time you've used Android Auto, you may get a few other notifications to approve. Approve them all as they come up. You'll see the phone will begin syncing now, and there it is, wireless Android Auto. A few very important notes. Long holding the voice speech button switches between the original Toyota system and the new Hamilton system. If you start the car and don't see the Hamilton system to start, long hold that voice speech button for 3 seconds. In order to play audio, your original factory system needs to be in aux mode, as you see here. We recommend also that you go on your phone and you forget that original Toyota Bluetooth network, and then you come in the Toyota menu here and remove all of these devices as well. You will no longer be using the original Toyota network at all. You will be using the Hamilton network in aux mode. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, they initiate with Bluetooth, and then they use the phone's Wi-Fi connectivity to have a high-speed data stream. Here it is. To get back to that underlying Hamilton settings page, just click the car exit and you'll come back to the Hamilton settings page. Touching this button will bring you into Android Auto here. If you have any questions or need to talk more, give us a call at 919-858-2890 or check us out on hamiltonmotorcompany.com. Our talented tech support team will be happy to answer any questions you have. I'm Dave, and I'll see you in the next video.